Welcome to Axion Communications. Today we're excited to showcase one of our most powerful tools for team collaboration, the Conference Bridge. If you're looking to elevate your voice calls and streamline team meetings, you're in the right place. So what is Conference Bridge? A Conference Bridge is a tool that allows multiple participants to join one single voice call, no matter where they are. It's ideal for team meetings, client calls, and collaborative discussions, providing a seamless way to connect everyone in one virtual space. And here's what we offer. Seamless integration. We make it easy for you to get started. High-quality audio, scalability options allowing you to start small and then add more people as your business grows. And of course, a user-friendly interface. Axion is helping thousands of businesses reduce the cost associated with travel and in-person meetings with audio conference bridges. And now you can connect with your team members and clients from anywhere, saving you time, money, and enhancing your productivity. Whether you are coordinating with a colleague or collaborating with a client, our Conference Bridge provides the tools you need for a successful and productive call. So are you ready to enhance your conference calls? Visit axioncommunications.com and speak to one of our representatives. They'll show you a demo so you can get started today.